Look no further from the warm, clear turquoise waters to the white sand beaches to fantastic snorkeling and diving locations unlike anything you'd find elsewhere. The Bahamas are the perfect place to truly get away from it all. There are some 700 islands and 2,500 cays and plenty of choices to pick from. When you have to plan all the fine details of your trip, the fun of it can get away from you. Wouldn't it be nice to bundle it all at once and not have to worry? This is the Traveler's Post. Today, we'll look at 10 of the best all-inclusive resorts for those looking for a tropical getaway in the Bahamas. Whether you're planning a romantic vacation or a trip for the whole family, the Bahamas has all-inclusive resorts for all budgets and travelers. Food and beverages and plenty of activities are all bundled in with a price. So once you get there, you can just sit back and relax on the warm shores and soak up the sun in peace. So make sure you've got your bags packed, subscribe to the channel, and let's dive in. Number 10. Breezes Resort and Spa, Bahamas, Nassau. On the stunning Cable Beach, Breezes Resort and Spa, Bahamas is an excellent place for budget-conscious travelers who don't want to miss out. In fact, the ultra-inclusive policy they hold means that the price you pay includes absolutely everything, all resort fees, tips, and surcharges. This location is not only affordable, but romantic. You don't need to worry about crying children, as the resort only allows guests over the age of 14. With tons of on-site activities, you'll never need to worry about a dull moment, like kayaking, a trapeze, and a tennis court with free lessons. You also have options like 5 on-site restaurants or the choice of a romantic private beach dinner for an extra fee. Number 9. Foul Cay Resort, Exumas Island. On a private island within the Exumas Island, the Foul Cay Resort offers a remarkably secluded holiday destination. It's out of the way of most shipping lanes and other travelers, so it truly delivers on the front of intimate experiences. These villas feature their own impressive ocean views, fully stocked pantries, and access to equipment on the island, including golf carts to travel with. Picnic lunches can also be provided by the island chef for those looking to go out on an adventure during the day. All dining options and equipment are included in the cost of the stay, which offers you a way to package it all in one and get a unique, one-of-a-kind stay away from it all. Number 8. Viva Windham Fortuna Beach, Grand Bahama. Easy to access, this all-inclusive has fun for the whole family. When you're looking to get away, you've got so many moving pieces. Viva Windham understands and keeps you and your family in mind. There are plenty of amenities for everyone, including a kids' hangout spot, game room, and wading pool. But kids under the age of 17 not only eat for free, but stay for free too. Surrounded by stunning stretches of white sand beaches and a backdrop of gorgeous turquoise Caribbean water, each room features a balcony with ocean views. There are also fun activities like DIY snorkeling, kayaking, and beach volleyball included, and other excursions can be arranged for more discerning travelers for a fee. Number 7. Grand Isle Resort and Spa, Great Exuma. While Great Exuma is a little bit more difficult to get out to, the effort will be well worth the trip. On the beach at Emerald Bay, you'll find Grand Isle Resort and Spa, which offers a highly rated, all-inclusive package on some of the most stunning beaches in the area. The villas come in various sizes, but they're all large and accommodating with full kitchens, separate living and dining spaces, comfortable bedrooms, and sometimes even jacuzzi tubs. If you're looking for fun activities, Grand Isle has got you covered, from swimming with sharks to feeding rays or the on-site spa for those looking for a relaxing stay. Number 6. Pelican Bay Hotel, Grand Bahama. The Pelican Bay Hotel is a 4-star resort with an all-inclusive package you won't want to miss. Grand Bahama is actually one of the most accessible islands to access. You can simply take a ferry from Fort Lauderdale or pick up one of many direct flights to the island. You're greeted with fun, brightly colored Bahamian architecture and well-decorated rooms that all come with private balconies, kitchenettes, and microwaves. In your all-inclusive package, you have access to beaches, a spa, tennis courts, and swimming pools. As this resort caters to families, adults looking to get away also have access to babysitting for some time alone. There's plenty to do, exploring outside of the property for those with an adventurous streak. Number 5. Warwick Paradise Island, Paradise Island. Just a short 30-minute drive from Nassau International Airport, you'll find Warwick Paradise Island. This 4-star all-inclusive welcomes guests aged 16 and older, making it perfect as a romantic getaway or a trip with adult friends or families with older kids. With harbor views on one side and ocean views on the other, as well as a beach area with long loungers perfect for spending the whole day soaking up the sun. Guests looking to explore off-property will also find plenty of shops and restaurants nearby. Number 4. Small Hope Bay Lodge, Andros. With beachfront cottages, international cuisine, and a location on one of the most beautiful locations in the world, Small Hope Bay Lodge in Andros provides an unparalleled experience for everyone. This goes especially for those who are more environmentally focused. This destination has as little impact on the surrounding environment as possible, giving its guests a feeling of the importance of the nearly unspoiled landscape around. Rooms are placed on the absolute beachfront, with a disconnect from technology. The dining of local dishes is prepared with fresh ingredients. There are plenty of experiences for guests looking to truly get the most out of their visit. Between scuba diving lessons, organized fishing excursions, or the options to set off on a nature path and explore. Guests looking for a break from the world's constant connectivity look to provide a place for travelers to truly recharge their batteries. Number 3. Hotel Rio Palace, Paradise Island. This adults-only all-inclusive is on a gorgeous stretch of soft white sand beach and is one of the most upscale in the Rio Hotel's brand's entire line. The ocean views and private balconies set most of the suites above the rest. You're also offered entry into their many amenities, including 2 swimming pools and vast entertainment on the beach like volleyball or fitness classes. Once you're ready to grab a bite, you'll find the main restaurant with live cooking sessions and themed buffets. If that's not quite your fare, they also offer specialty Japanese, Indian, fusion, and steakhouse restaurants, as well as an ice cream parlor for a sweet treat. Number 2. Melia Nassau Beach, Nassau. On one of the top beaches in the Bahamas, Melia Nassau Beach is an all-inclusive cable beach and located within the Baha Mar Resort complex. There are luxe VIP packages, but all packages come with stylish and modern packages. This resort is kid-friendly, with a club just for the little ones on the ground, as well as a children's swimming pool. There's also a Jack Nicklaus-designed 18-hole course nearby for the adults and golf enthusiasts that you can book tee times for an extra fee. If you're looking for something to eat, the multiple on-resort restaurants are better than your average fare, with plenty of options and diverse dishes to choose from. Number 1. Club Med, Columbus Isle, San Salvador. If you're looking for peak luxury in your beachfront accommodation, then this Columbus Isle resort will be perfect for all your needs. On the remote island, you'll have access to some of the best scuba DNS snorkeling locations, as well as easy access to gorgeous resort-style beaches. Perfect for families and travelers of all lifestyles, there are plenty of activities for all ages, 2 restaurants, and 3 bars. Experiencing the Bahamas with your loved ones has never been so comfortable. Are you in the market for a grand getaway? Have you ever been to any of these islands? Let us know down below. We'd love to hear your stories or your opinions if you feel like we've missed any. If you like this video, make sure to watch our video on the best all-inclusive resorts in Cancun. They are truly amazing resorts as well for your next dream vacation. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe to the channel with post notifications turned on for more just like this. That's going to be it for today. This has been the Traveler's Post, and we'll see you next time on your next big adventure.